Good noon, lovable children, respectable guardians, parents, and all viewers. In the previous classes, I've already discussed about Standard 5 SST, Chapter 8. That means prairies in the grassy plains. But today we discuss about natural disaster. You know various natural disasters, that means man-made and natural. Natural disasters, that means cyclone, flood, earthquake, tsunami, etc. That recent cyclone, that means Fani, Phylline, Hudud, you know, heard this name. But the man-made disaster, that means a fire accident. Recently happened a fire accident, that means Sun Hospital at Cuttack. You know, heard this news about or any news. Okay, then let's come to topic and know more about it. Chapter 9, natural disaster. First, we know natural disaster. Natural activity or accident that get loss of life, people and property also, that is called disaster. Disaster, that means two types, natural disaster and man-made disaster. Natural means, that means drought, flood, earthquake, cyclone, tsunami, landslide, that is the natural disaster. That means cyclone, Nomtem, Fani, Phylline, Hudhud, etc. That means the man-made disaster, fire accident, rail accident. Fire accident, that means Sun Hospital, Cuttack, you know, heard this news. Or in this chapter, we'll discuss about, we learn about some natural disasters. First, floods. See the picture. Floods. What do you see? That means flood is situation, a large part of land gets submerged in water in a very short period of time. It generally occurs in rainy season. That means rivers start overflowing. Then cracks occur in the embankments of river or dams cause flood. That means due to the main reasons of the floods, deforestation. That means cutting down of trees continuously. In India, floods occur many parts during the monsoon season, like such state name Bihar, Assam, West Bengal, and are prone to floods. Then effects. Effects of, what are the effects of the flood? That means crops standing in a field washed away. That means many diseases spread after floods because of unhygienic conditions. Precautions. Listen to flood warning on radio and televisions. First, then store clean drinking water and food for emergencies. Keep some plastic bags for packing food particles or clothes. Then move to an elevated place, then displaced one place to another place. That means the safest place. Then drink oil, boiled water. That means the flood, and that means first causes, then effects, then precautions. Then second, drought. Drought, Todia meaning Marudi, and drought is a situation or the acute shortage of water for many months. That means there is no or very little rainfall. That means Rajasthan, Gujarat, Odisha, Maharashtra, Bihar, some drought-prone states of India. That means effects. After effects, that means the farmers lose their livelihood and great shortage of food. That means many animals also die. Plants and trees are also adversely affected. That means see the diagram, drought. Then next, precautions. Practice rainwater harvesting.
Cracking.
Yes. Also, that means the cracking of soil. That means the desert-like soil. Okay. Also, and shortage of water and crops are destroyed. Then precautions. Practice rainwater harvesting to save water for dry periods. And better method of irrigation like drip irrigation should be practiced. And more plants should be grown in the drought-prone areas. That means the plantation. That means the reforestation. Reforestation should be grown in these drought-prone areas. Next, earthquake. Earthquake, that is the sudden, that is shaking of Earth's surface.
In some second.
And that is the, see the diagram, earthquake. Earthquake, that means the shaking of Earth's surface, referred to earthquake. It occurs due to the movement of huge rock plates inside the earth crust. Earthquakes measure that instrument name seismometer or seismograph. That means the intensity of earthquake is rated on Richter scale. Keep remember, that means the intensity of earthquake is Richter scale. That means the earthquake is measured on the instrument name seismograph or seismometer. The place inside the earth crust where an earthquake originates is called focus. That means placed directly over the focus on the Earth's surface is called epicenter. Then earthquake of intensity 7 is quite devastating. That means the earthquake intensity less than 3 on the Richter scale is a mild earthquake, pretty normal. That means the earthquake intensity less than 3, that is the mild earthquake. That means the earthquake of intensity of 7 is quite devastating. That means the loss of property, loss of people also, and devastating states. And areas near the epicenter of an earthquake are adversely affected. Then effects. That means after earthquake, that means the effect of earthquake, building, roads and bridges are damaged, and electric and telephone lines also damaged. Sometimes fire breakouts in damaged buildings, and many people and animals are trapped inside the buildings. And sometimes earthquake occurs in the ocean. That means which ultimately set tsunami. And the precautions: do not panic and to try to move to an open area immediately, and remain close to walls or sit under a table or bed. And that means to switch off the electric supply. Do not sit inside a car or bus. Keep away from windows and mirrors. Then next, cyclone. Cyclone is very cyclone. You heard this name, cyclone. That means Phony, Phylline, Hudhud, and different type of cyclones are there. That means in 1999, October 29, that means the super cyclone is taken place. So you don't know about, you only heard this name, super cyclone in 1999. But this cyclone name Phony, Hudhud, Phylline, you heard this name. Cyclone is a strong circulatory wind that causes heavy rainfall. It is very destructive. That means cyclone. See the diagram, cyclone. And it is a great loss of life and property. During cyclone, wind blow a very high speed. That means the state name and heavy rains occurs, and that means the eastern states like Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu are the most cyclone prone state. Effects: a cyclone destroys everything that comes in the way. It uproots the trees and poles. It can blow away windows and foundation, and many low-lying areas submerged in water due to heavy rainfall. Then precaution, the preventive measures. That means do not go into near the sea. Move to a safer place. Store food and drinking water for emergency, and do not go till you get official advice. That is the cyclone Phony case study. You can at your home do read. A cyclone Phony name, pronounced Phony, means snake of hood, hood of snake. That was extremely severe cyclonic storm. That means 120 miles. That means the wind speed at 120 miles per hour. Millions of people in India and Bangladesh are evacuated. That means to evacuate means one place to another place. The last section of the coastal areas in both countries are flooded and due to heavy rains. Cyclonic Phony was a peculiar cyclonic storm in the sense that it did not weaken even after coming on contact with the land. Cyclone maintained in its intensity till it reached the Bhubaneswar, then changed the direction, the northeastward direction towards Mayurbhanj. Mayurbhanj, Baleshwar, Mayurbhanj, Bhadrak, Mayurbhanj. And you also suggested that cyclone might be packing the extra force due to climatic change and also severe drought in drier regions. Then next, tsunami. Tsunami, basically it is occurred, it taken place in country Japan. You know how this Japan. And tsunami comes as strong sea waves. That means sea. Samudra means ocean, Mahasagar. And that means sea waves strike the coastal areas, sometimes enter many kilometers in the land. Tsunami is either by an undersea earthquake and about the waves the travel at speed about 750 kilometers per hour. How many kilometers per hour? That means 750 kilometers. That means the wave strikes the coast and they look like wall of water. Coastal area the most prone or devastating natural disaster. Then effects. Tsunami damages home, trees, poles. In the coastal area, many people or animals die out of drowning, and a large area along the coast gets submerged in water. Crops standing in the fields are also destroyed. Precautions and preventing measure remedial. That means then undersea the earthquake, listen to a warnings related to tsunami. If there is a tsunami alert, that means move to a safer place. If you cannot move away, close all the doors and windows and the house properly, and store food. That means preserve. That means reserve some food and drinking water for emergency. Okay, that means deforestation, rainwater harvesting. Quick revision. and that means right, true or false. Fire accident is a natural disaster. Not, that is not right. That is a man-made disaster. That means it is not a natural. And Bihar is a flood-prone state. Yes, which is a flood-prone state. Drought is called you acquire such a water for many months. Yes, that is true. Keywords: deforestation, act of cutting down or burning trees; rainwater harvesting, collecting and storing rainwater for later use; tsunami, a huge waves in the sea caused by an undersea earthquake. That is the recap, and the exercise I have already prepared your question answer hard copy, and do practice. May God bless you. Thank you so much.